Right, so this is just a quick video of how to use the tints for the tile and stone filler. So this is the two-part resin filler. So you've got the actual filler itself, and then it has, this is the hardener, which creates the chemical reaction that gets the filler to cure. Okay, so what we have various colours of the tint, and these are very highly concentrated. So they go a really long way. So you only need a very small amount. Okay. So what we tend to do is just use a little bit of cardboard, ripped cardboard, and use that as your palette. Okay. Okay, so when you're using the tints, you only need a very small amount, very strong, very concentrated. Okay, so we just use a little filling knife or spatula, something like that, and what we can do is just add that in, and you'll see instantly that it starts to tint the colour. So the more we add, the deeper the colour. Okay, and then the less we add, the more it can just it'll just put a little bit of a tint to it. Okay, so we just use like a clean cloth, baby wipe, something like that, just to clean your tools off. Okay, so in this one, just a very small amount of the green, and you'll see how quickly and how concentrated it is to change the colour. Okay, so the colours are also intermixable. So what we can do, we can then add a little bit of this brown now into this green to just make a slightly different colour again. Okay, so if we just separate that, you see it's just, that's made like a bit of a mustard colour. Okay, so now you can see how very quickly we've created 3 different colours from just the standard cream as the base colour, and by using just a little bit of the tint. Okay, so depending on the actual colour of your tile or what you're trying to match it to, if you're trying to match it to a vein or something in the tile, what we can then do is just take a little bit of the filler and just put it next to the hole. Yeah, and you can just sort of have a look and see, are any of those colours right? If they are, we can then move ahead and we can use them. If they're not, what we'll do, we can keep mixing on the palette, and you can just keep playing around with it till you achieve the colour that you want. Okay, once you've then got the colour that you're happy to use, this is where you then use apply some hardener. Okay, and once you mix that, the chemical reaction will start to take place, and you'll only get about 5 minutes of working time. Okay, so if you want to then see how we actually fill the hole or the imperfection in the tile, we have another video with a full step-by-step guide of how to actually apply the filler, tape it off, and then clean the excess filler away. Okay, so this video is just how to use the tints and how you can intermix them to get the colour that you need. Thanks for listening.